Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your life. So friends, welcome back to your own YouTube channel. This is Shivani. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, as you all know. So friends, if you want to know more about me, please do let me know in the comment section and I'll give you update or I will make a blog or video on that. Okay. So without wasting a further, let's get into our practice session, and this is our day 6. As you all know friends that this is our day 6 and the topic for the day is, so before that, can you make a guess of it that what would be the today's topic? So friends, let me tell you, today's topic is the impact of social media on our daily life. I know this is a pretty much simple topic for all of us, and we can easily, I would say not easily, but at least I'll try to express my ideas and articulate my thoughts on this. And I want you to do the same. If you want to do it along with me, you can do it. And if you want to record yourself and while speaking on the same topic, you can do that as well. So without wasting a further, guys, let's start this video. Let's start speaking on this particular topic. So as we all know friends that social media has become an important and I would say most important, most useful part in our life, and it's important, I would say the impact is also undeniable. We all know. So social media friends is not just only about using these platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp or YouTube and so on, but it also about that how much screen time we spend on our devices. If we spend endless screen time or the screen time is excessive, then it can be, I would say, harmful for us. But if we use it wisely or with mindfulness, then it will be, I would say, helpful, and I would say, yeah, it will remain productive as well. So as we all know that social media impact can be both, it can be negative and positive as well. If I talk about the positive part, it's just not, I would say, make us informed us about the latest trend, technology, knowledge, or what is going around the world itself, but also it gives us the kind of, I would say, the kind of environment or the status where we can just search about anything, or we can just get to know about anything in just one click by clicking or by searching anything on Google or anything on any other application. You can easily find out that what's going on around you, what is the trending thing, what is the, I would say, you can easily update yourself aware about this thing which is going on around you, or you can easily learn any, I would say, any technology, any knowledgeable thing in just one go. However, friends, the negative part is also unavoidable. If I talk about the negative part, we may have seen, and maybe people often waste their precious hours while playing online games. Like they just play games for hours and hours and hours, and they just waste their time without being productive. And sometimes we often watch endless YouTube reels like this, and maybe sometimes Instagram reels, and also we just watch some, I would say, some random videos and scrolling the social media without any purpose. Even we don't know why we are using it, but still we see, okay, we have free time, let's use it, let's see what's going on. So we just waste our time. This is also, I would say, one of the negative, I would say, aspect of social media. So if we do this, then the social media will going to make us, I would say, distracted from our goals, not from just our goals, but it will also weaken our eyesight. Isn't it true, guys? If yes, please do let me know in the comment section. And one more thing, friends, that are you enjoying the topic? If you are enjoying, then please do let me know in the comment section and give it a like. Do subscribe to your own YouTube channel and let me know that whatever I have said so far was relatable, or should I have said something else, maybe because I haven't said something meaningful. If you feel the same thing, please do let me know in the comment section. I want your guidance, friends. Actually, I want your support as well. So let us talk about, I have already talked about the negative, I would say, the negative aspect or the influence of social media, that it will going to make us our life distracted. We will not be able to focus on our goals and what we want to do, and it will just make us lethargic, lazy and monotonous, or maybe it will lead us fatigue also. Fatigue means extremely tiredness. So this is the, I would say, negative aspect of social media. Having said that, in the conclusion part, I would say, friends, that if we will use social media wisely and cautiously, then it will help us not just updating ourselves with the perfect knowledge, with the information, with the emerging trends in technology that is going around the world, but also it will help us enhancing and improving our knowledge, our skills, and our capabilities also. But if we will not use it in the right or appropriate manner, then the result will be in front of you guys. The consequences will be in front of you. So use it wisely but not excessively is the key thing for social media application. And let me know, friends, that what's your insights, what's your opinion, what's your idea about the same topic, about the same I would say same topic. So if you have any perception, or I would say your opinion, the comment section is always open for you guys. You can like type your own words, you can even send me your recordings, you can send me your own, I would say, video as well. Like, this is Shivani, this is our perception, our thoughts. I'm ready to read each and every comments, guys, literally, believe me, friends. So having said that, friends, this is all about social media, I would say. I know it's just the small discussion that I have presented in front of you, and I have not make it a bit longer like the earlier one. I have just kept it simple and sober one, so that I won't waste much of your time. I won't take much of your time. I'll just wrap up myself in just shorter and in a sweeter manner. So I hope you enjoyed the video, friends. If you have literally enjoyed this particular video about the social media importance and the usage and the impact on our daily life, then please give it a like and do subscribe to your own YouTube channel, friends. So I'll take a leave of you, and I'll see you with another video just like this one. Till then, take care, guys. Bye bye.